Video is going to teach you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So when you navigate to Google Classroom and open your class, you'll open the Classwork tab at the top. And you'll click Create Assignment. You'll give your assignment a title. You can choose to give instructions if you choose. Click Add, and you'll be able to add other things to your assignment, such as the Google Drive file, a link to another website, a file from your computer, or a link to a YouTube video. Most of the time, I would imagine that you're going to be using the assignments to attach something from Drive, and you'll just choose your recent assignment, and I'll choose this Unit 5 worksheet I have. And this is very important. You only get one chance to do this, your first time. If you go back to edit the assignment, you will not be able to add this option. So by default, students can view the file. That means they can all view the file, but they can't edit it. The second option is students can edit file. That means all students can edit your original file. Most people are like, why would I ever use that? Sometimes you might want to use that if you're collecting data on a spreadsheet, or if you have like a sign-up sheet of some sort, like sign up for a biography that you want to read. So you can create a file that all of your students in your class can edit collaboratively together. But most of the time, I'd say 99% of the time, you're going to be using this third option. Make a copy for each student. It's like your Xerox machine. Every student gets their own copy. They open it, they edit it, and they turn it in when they're done. And here you'll have your same options that you had when we did questions and materials. You can choose multiple classes, or you can choose specific students, and you can differentiate your assignment based on your students' ability levels. You'll have the option to change the point value or make it ungraded. To change the point value, you simply change the points. If you want ungraded, you just click ungraded. You can choose a due date and due time, and that will have it show up on the calendar as well as a Google Classroom tile page. By choosing a topic, you'll organize it on your Google Classroom for you. I love topics because I like to keep things nice and organized. So I'll choose my topic, and then here you'll have rubric grading. You can create a new rubric or reuse a rubric if you've already created one. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but you could give it a criteria such as punctuation, and you can have a level. This level is called whatever you'd like it to be called, and 1 point, and you could add different point values, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Maybe this one is grammar. This criteria is grammar, and you could go on, so on and so forth. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to discard it, but that's how you'd build your rubric. Originality reports, it's like that website turnitin.com, where it shows you if your student cheated and copied and pasted things off the internet. You only get 3 for free, and then I believe you are charged for any additional ones. You can assign it right now. You can click on the drop down. You can schedule it to assign at a later date by entering the date and time you want it to post. You can also save it as a draft and assign it when you're ready to assign it, or you can discard it. If you want to assign it right now, you go ahead and do that. And that is how you make an assignment. I'm just going to save it so you can see where it goes. That's how you make an assignment in Google Classroom.